All right. Continuing on with While True Learn. I have no idea how long this game is. Can I buy some more stuff now? No hardware. Nothing important to me that I can buy. Let's go back to the tree. Where do we got? We are up to Elite Conference. And I think I've done all side quests thus far. Let me make sure I didn't miss like an obvious one down here somewhere. Nope. We've done all side quests. They're not all golds, but that's okay. Well, looks like there's quite a bit of this game left. Sift. Good for recognizing shapes. Thanks. Elite Conference. Here we go. Our scientists, blah, blah, blah. Badges, something. Let's look at the scheme. What do I have to do? Circles at the top. Non-circles here. But then green everything's here. Okay. A 15 green everything. So that's where it gets let's go like this. I mean, we can do a decision color. Make. Green. Blue. And then green. Well, red, green. There. I'll send any of my greens into there. Let's actually change this to green down here so I can keep it. What's happening? Oops. Green, blue. We'll do that. There. So that'll be greens. That's probably way too many. But we'll find out. But the nice thing is, actually, it might not be too many because I can send. I gotta send some things off of here. So I can go to now I don't actually need a decision tree of any type up on this side. But this balancer, I almost need to send it to, no, you can't send it to another balancer. Sifter, circles go up here. Squares, anything else goes there. I think if I put this into the input here and this into the input here, that's where I'm going to bottleneck. This is the problem, but I can't do this without nodes. And I don't want to put this at the beginning. I want to put this as late as I can possibly can. And right before the output is exactly where you want this because that's going to be the least amount of things coming to it. But I've at a max node usage. So let's see what this does. Okay, the bottom was just filling up way quickly. Yeah, I actually did it. I'm going to edit this, though, because I think what I can do... No, I can't do that. No, you can't do that. I was thinking I could move from blue greens to add another sifter. So I can take the workload off of this. But that's... I guess the question is, let's see. If I don't use a balancer. So I want to get... I need to separate out my greens. Is this accurate? And then, could I then use two sifters and take up some of that workload? And then red. So this would be reds and greens. How many blues are going to come through here? Same number as reds. But the problem is this will be reds and blues. Well, it doesn't matter. This will just be blues. So this one's going to do twice the work. Let's see, though. Another silver. 33.6. I'm curious what this one was. Splitting at the beginning, so only half of the blocks are going through a sifter. On the other one, it could be more than half of the blocks. I don't think it is, though. Because aren't there more greens? $45.8. Man, it's close. What is there more of? There's more greens. And there's the exact same number of blues and reds, which is kind of what you want. These are all 100% thresholds. I don't want these to go through. I can't see what to do to make this faster right now. So the one thing I would see is these are getting no greens. None at all. So all greens are going here. So this is essentially getting... If it all went through, this would get 90 pieces. It only needs 15. Is there a way that I can send some of these green ones into here? I don't see a way to do that without... I just don't see a way how to get some of these green ones to go elsewhere without increasing nodes. I'm at like the max node usage I can think of in a way to do this. Yeah, I'm going to release it. 3.3 seconds off. I can make another thing. Our lab is researching cancer. I'm about to drop 3 grand. Do me proud. So I need to get rid of all greens completely. I need to get rid of all squares completely. And then send them this way. So. Let's split this baby in half. Paralyze it. We first want to kill the greens. So if you're green, show green or blue. And if you're green or red, so this is reds, this is greens. I want you, so blue I can skip. I want you to go straight to a trash bin because I don't want you greens. Anything else needs to go to a shifter to see if you're a square. I want you to go to a trash can. And if you're a square, I also want you to go to the trash can. This should work. Let's test it without this first. Ooh, I see a bunch of green triangles. Oh, no, green triangles are fine. Yeah, I see no other color triangles going in there. I see no squares going in here. This does work. So let's go like this, and like this, and test it. Twice as fast. It says I got 10 of 50 nodes. Should I just use all the nodes? Like, what happens if I... Oh my god, there's just so many. I guess it does keep restarting, but if I zoom all the way out, lift all of you up, move you up here, and then go CV. That actually did not cost that much extra because I limited that power. However, if I add this last balancer, look how much that increased. Why do these balancers cost so much? Well, we're going to do it. This is a mistake I made in that last one. So I super paralyzed this process. I mean, this is accurate. 10.32 though. Ugh. Still pretty slow, but we're going to release it. Launch it. I got 2,000 from the cat thing. I got 4,000 from the Gamazon. Which is, I just can't tell what this is doing. It's like, still making income. This one's not doing well. Uh-oh. This one's... Oh no, this one's doing better. Hold on. I'm in the green. Okay, I made it to the green. People seem happy. I got hype. These are... This one increased. This one decreased. I don't know what to do about this one. Okay, I think I'm still doing okay on that one now. Let's go back to the tree. We got a blood center. Presidential elections. I need to know who to vote for. I can easily tell you that. 300. So all of the blues need to make it here. However, I have an 80% threshold, so I could also send my reds over here without a problem. So if I went like this and did blue, red, green, blues and reds will be on this top. And then, no, blues and greens will be on the bottom, sorry. Blue, green. Blues and reds will be on the top. And blues and... Or greens and reds will be on the bottom. So, therefore, this should work fine. Just like this. Just as it is. There's only 6 reds, so you're not going to see them come through that often, but you should get about 3 of them on this side and about 3 of them going to the trash can. I wish I could speed this up. It only lets me do this at 3 times speed. I ran out of time. Okay, I guess I can... I mean... That's the obvious answer, right? That's my max number of nodes, too. I mean, that should do it. Is it going to be gold territory, though? If it's not gold territory... It didn't even make it. 288? What? Okay, instead of trashing these, if I just send them back in a perpetual loop, it'll just break it, right? Yeah, I'll just start bottlenecking it over here. Yeah, it's just gonna bottleneck. I can bottleneck it this way. And then just not send it to the trash. No, because that'll fill up and it'll stop, right? $288. Even if I did force those 3 reds to go that way, that wouldn't work. What did I have when it was just one of these? I know it's low. This doesn't seem to be queue backed up at all. 149. That's weird. So why would it not be... Huh. I just want to make sure that this doesn't do anything weird, right? Definitely Q backed it up. But is it faster for some ridiculous reason? No, it looks way slower. Is that really going to be slower? 145. It's slower. It's not way slower, though. How is this not the answer? Green. How? I mean, do you have to, like... Because that'll be reds and blues. Wait. Yeah. They're the same thing. No. If I put red, greens and blues will go out top, reds and blues go out the bottom. I see no other way to do this. Greens and reds, blues and reds. I like need to force feed it some greens. Oh, I didn't put this to the trash can. Oh, this is only going to get to 288. $219? Oh, because I changed it around. Oh, I sent a lot more stuff to the trash, that's why. Green, blue. No, blue, blue, green. There we go. Blue. Yeah, even though it's opposite, but there. The only thing I can figure out to do on this is to add more nodes. And therefore I'll force myself into silver or gold or bronze territory, but I can finish the level. $290. I just don't understand why it can't quite make it. Well, let's take this and up here. Like that. I mean, this will allow me to finish the level. It's just... I'm forced into an extra node. I haven't finished it, I think, in the time it would have taken to get that too. Like to get the gold. So what, how do you get rid of one of these nodes? Maybe, hold on. So, oh, 8 over 4. 1, 2, 3. No, I can only get rid of 2 nodes. I mean, because this was maxed out in nodes. Yeah, it was maxed out in nodes. I don't know what else to do, yeah. Let's call that good. We'll release it. Hey, I got my cat's... My basic cat emojis at 100%. My cat recognition system's up to 56. Ooh, what is this one? A genetic algorithm? Let's check it out. I reached the end of the epoch. Click one of the banners to proceed further in the story. I don't know what these epochs do. I'm already on the gold path, so let's go to the gold path. Hold still. Science at work. You're definitely smiling there. Nailing it. The cat has been detected. Base kata motion recognized. Genetic algorithm. Oops. Try the genetic algorithm. Genes rule. Wait, or was it Jin? Huh. Genetic algorithm is the answer, but you'd need multiple cats to do it properly. I'm stuck in the 80s. So let's see. In the game, a genetic solver, train model in train run until the evolve button lights up. Then click on it. It creates a clone with a modified error, positive or negative. Okay, so now this is red, green, blue, and I train it, and then I hit training, and I hit evolve when it lights up. Okay. I did evolve it. Am I not? It doesn't seem to be evolving. Oh, you stop and then evolve it? Wait. Too many nodes. Oh, let's get rid of that one then. Let's train this one then. So when it lights up, then you stop and you evolve it again. Kill this one. Train. 41% wrong. Okay. It started at 77. 28. How long is this going to take? 15. So it's better than the 20% one. The nodes in the field have reached their minimum margin of error. There's nothing more you can teach them. Okay, so it's 9% now. So let's do a test run then. Okay. Okay, I'm earning stuff. Here, I should go down here and finish these couple off before really getting into genetic algorithms. So there's only one's red. I can have 11 nodes for gold. Interesting. So let's go. For sure, we're going to decision this on red. Red, blue doesn't matter. And then red, green. So I'm going to put a trash can on top. And then I need a sifter. Or do I need a... No genetic algorithms yet. Okay. Sifter. So circle. Else there. I mean, that's in theory what I want. So then... So then just like that. And I can't do another set of this because I only have 3 more nodes, and that would cost 1, 2, 3 more nodes plus 2 more balancers I would need. So let's test this. It should work pretty well. Except nothing made it to the trash can. There's only 1 red circle in the bunch. I didn't connect this anywhere. Blues trash. Blues trash. It backed up those machines. I have to get through all these to get to that 1 red circle. Oh, the red circle's deployed. It should make it somewhere. It did it. Took bronze though. Why would that take so long? Red and greens. Red and greens. If it's red, it's going to sift it. It got deployed. I don't understand why that takes so long. I don't know how else to do that. Rare items though. Another startup. 2,500 bucks. These are annoying. Oh my god. Circle, square, triangle. I almost don't even want to tackle this one right now. Just looks complex. Let's see. Does a color help me at all first? No. I mean, maybe. Let's see. Reds and greens. So reds and blues come out to the top. But it never takes the same thing. Wow. There's more blues that come out of here. Let's try this one for blues first. So blue, whatever, blue, green. And if I got this down to blue, blue, red. So this is blue. And if you're a square, go here, else go up here. So this would be green, red. Oh my god, I have to separate it out in colors. Green, red. I say if you're green, I need you to go to a sifter. And if you're a circle, go to here. Else go to this other sifter. And if you're a square, go to here. Else go to the trash can. And if you're... These two would be if you're reds. Oh my god. If you're red. If you're a red square, go up here. Else, if you're a red circle, go here. Else there. Wow. I mean, I think that's the exact same logic I'm going to need on this one up here. It's going to be processing power of craziness, right? It's actually not too bad in the processing power department. But I need this to be there. It's a lot of sifters, but it does kind of move the load. Trash can should only be getting green triangles. Everything else has a home. That's looking solid. I'm going to release it. Launch it. And hit the next day. I've already got some good feedback. Some bad feedback. But some good feedback. These things are still... I'm still doing okay with some of these. I'm just going to let it ride. Should I do one more? Do I dare? Do I dare jump into the chess spot? No, we're going to do RL1. It's been a long episode already, but we're going to try to see what this is. We're doing some of the sift objects again, which I don't quite understand this whole setup here. Look, we did it. We're going to get 50 things into the RL agent. I don't know what we're supposed to get in there. Test run complete. Let's tune it now. Okay, special crossbreed, multiply and mutate. Okay, continue. Each iteration of the learning epoch, an epoch, contains several solutions regulated by population size parameters. At the end of the epoch, only the best solutions get to survive and multiply. Selection percentile parameter. Genetic algorithm is not too stable, pretty much like natural selection. So if you feel that your car is not making much progress, you can try generating a new population. Just make sure to not overuse the feature. Okay. What do I do now? Oops. No, so it's set new seed. Training. Your model has achieved the target speed. Training. Okay, I don't... What is happening? Oops, you've reached the epoch limit, but your model isn't good enough yet. Epoch limit has been reached. Try using another data set to perform. Is it the new seed? I mean, I'm not actually doing anything. The environment's sending in the... test run now? Okay, I got a gold. Okay, that was very strange. I don't even understand what just happened there, but anyways, thank you for tuning in for another episode. Stay tuned for the next time while we play another episode of While True Learn.